Hi. Today is the first time I've ever even tried shimming cuffs. So I've tried a couple of times. So I've got a little bit of my tin left over, and I'm going to try and do it again. So I'm going to take a fairly large piece here. For me, because I don't really know what I'm doing, I need a fairly thick piece of metal just to make up for my lack of skill. So I'm just going to fold this and then fold it again. So I have 4 layers of metal. I'm going to try and make it fairly flat. And then I'm going to really cut it down so it's pretty thin. I probably need it a little bit thinner than that. I think 4 pieces of metal is probably too wide, but like I said, I have to make up with my lack of skill with some extra extra strength. So the thickness of this should be about the same thickness as the teeth here. So I'm going to lock this. I'm going to insert this down between the two. It's a little too thick, so I'm going to cut this down a little bit more. I found it's hard to figure out exactly how wide you want this. It doesn't have to be that wide or that thick. It's just got to get between the teeth and the paw. So I'm just gonna wiggle this in so it goes down into there pretty deep. And then I'm gonna just move the cuff a half a click, and try and get it in there as deep as possible again, and then it opens up. So, shimming cuffs with a drink can and a pair of scissors.